Hi, I'm Chris McLaughlin, and we're going to write together today. But before we start, I just want to take 3 deep breaths. And the reason we do this is just clear our minds, let go any stress that's going on right now, just let it go, sort of thing, and come fresh to the page. So, if you feel comfortable, close your eyes, and we're going to take 3 deep breaths. So, we're going to breathe in and out. And in and out and in and out. Right. Open your eyes. I needed that today. So today what I want to write about is rain. I think rain gets a bad rap. I love the rain. I have a line in one of my poems that goes, I've always loved the rain. It reminds me I'm alive. And I go back to that line often. Maybe you hate the rain. That's okay. I'd like to hear about that too. Maybe you live in a place where there's not a lot of rain. And then that must be wonderful. Tell me what that's like. But I love it when it's like a light shower and you get like a little bit of a freshness and that kind of thing. Like, I don't know, I love the rain. But there's also other ways we can take it. You know, rain creates a mood in our pieces. It creates like a theme. Just wherever you want to take it is good. As long as you're writing, everything's perfect. As always, if you want to write a poem, go ahead. It doesn't have to rhyme. If you want to write a short story or a journal entry, you just want to get down a little bit of what happened today to you, that's perfect as well. Or just a few words on a page, a couple of scribbles, a drawing, whatever you want. Everything's perfect. Just as long as we're, expressing ourselves and letting the page hear us a little bit, I think, is the way I like to look at it. So, if you feel comfortable, close your eyes. I'm going back a step. Grab a pen and paper, or open a Word document, or whatever you used to write on. And when you're comfortable, we're going to write for 7 minutes. So, we're going to start now. And you're about halfway through. Got about 1 minute left. And if you come to the end of the line or idea that you're on, amazing. Amazing. Amazing, well done. Right. It's a weird day today, that's a big coffee, that's how I'm getting through this. Well done for writing. I hope you had fun. We're going to take 3 deep breaths now just to let anything that came up in that writing go. We want to be able to, things do come up in our writing sometimes, and I never want it to be a case of you don't have an out for that, So, if you feel comfortable, close your eyes, and we're going to breathe in and out. And in and out and in and out. Amazing. Well done. Awesome. Well done for writing, that's awesome. That's amazing. Cool. I hope you had fun with that one. Rain is a weird one. I think it can go a lot of different ways. I've really enjoyed reading all your comments. A lot of you are sharing lines, and that really means a lot. It's really beautiful to see. You're really good. And, you know, I've really enjoyed everything I've read, and also the things that I think, again, someone said the other day about waffle. I love a bit of waffle in writing. I think that there's something so human about just a bit of a chat in our writing. So yeah, if you feel comfortable, share some lines below. I'd love to read them, and you know, comment on each other's, bring each other up, be kind. It's the internet. We don't need any more negativity. We're all about just kindness in this on this channel, I guess. And cool. I'll share a little bit of what I wrote. I waffled like nothing in the middle, so I'm gonna cut out a huge bit in the middle, and I'll probably read the beginning and ends because I went somewhere strange at the ends, which I like. So on rain, I wrote, "Little kisses on my face. The clouds mix together overhead, like some kind of sky stew, spitting their broth over the edge of a cauldron. This potion, a concoction of drops that were once earthbound. We each believe in our own clouds, some seven-headed, multi-limbed deities that change the world and the weather daily, and somehow that's a reason for fighting and for hatred and for the rain to wash away what makes us human." So, went somewhere very different by the end of that than I did at the beginning. I think like a lot of people, I'm very frustrated about the world in general at the moment and how. Let's not get too into that. But I think writing has power in that. It has power to give us a voice, to let out our frustrations, to bring us together, and I think that's one of the main ways we can kind of combat this kind of feeling isolated, feeling like we're different to each other. We're not that different, truth be told. We all like to feel things, and we have thoughts, and then I think writing helps us let some of those out and connect us together. So, thank you very much for coming. I hope you had a bit of a weird one today. I hope you had fun, and I hope you got some writing out of it. And more than ever, more importantly, I just want to remind you, just in case anyone's not reminded you recently, that you are enough. Alright. See you next time.